In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Bitbucket. We'll start by signing in, then navigate to your repository's downloads area, and finally upload files from your computer. This method is great for sharing binaries, documents, or release assets alongside your code, and it keeps everything in one place for your team. Open your browser and head to Bitbucket. When the login screen appears, sign in with your Atlassian account. If you normally use Google to sign in, choose the Continue with Google option. You'll see a list of Google accounts available in your browser. Pick the one that's linked to your Atlassian account and follow the prompts. If you're already signed in, Bitbucket may take you straight to your workspace. Once you're in, look for the Repositories section in the sidebar. Click it to view the repositories you can access. From there, find the repository where you want to upload files and open it. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one so you're uploading to the correct project. Inside the repository, locate the Downloads tab. It's separate from your source files and is specifically designed for storing downloadable assets like zips, installers, and documents. Click Downloads to open that page. Think of this area as a central hub where teammates and users can grab packaged files without digging through the code. Before you can upload, Bitbucket may ask you to complete a quick CAPTCHA to confirm you're a real person. Go ahead and complete the CAPTCHA, then click Submit. This extra step helps protect your project from automated uploads and keeps the platform secure. With the Downloads page open and verified, click Add File. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to the files you want to upload, select them, and confirm. Larger files will take longer depending on your connection, so keep the tab open until the upload finishes. Once the upload completes, you'll see your files listed in Downloads with their names and sizes. From here, anyone with access to the repository and the right permissions can download them. A quick note before we wrap up. The Downloads upload feature may not be available on the free plan. If you don't see the Add File button or you're blocked from uploading, check your plan and repository permissions with your workspace admin. And that's it. You've signed in, navigated to your repository, opened the Downloads page, verified the CAPTCHA, and uploaded files from your computer. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.